Hello everyone, I'm Mr.Q. Today we'll come to the topic. Mystery at the bottom of the ocean, discoveries beyond imagination. Imagine a world beneath the waves, where sunlight fades and mysteries abound. Today, we journey into the ocean's depths to uncover secrets that challenge our understanding of history and nature. The underwater structures off the coast of Hainan present a compelling puzzle. Beyond the general shapes resembling buildings, closer examination reveals features that defy simple natural formation. Divers have documented what appear to be precisely dressed stones, fitted together in a manner consistent with human construction. Walls seem to run in straight lines, forming enclosures that could have been foundations of dwellings or public spaces. Some researchers have even identified what they interpret as remnants of roads or pathways, suggesting a planned urban layout. The crystalline nature of the stone itself adds to the mystery. What type of rock is this? And how did it withstand the relentless forces of the ocean for potentially millennia? While the natural formation argument persists, proponents of a human-made origin point to the sheer improbability of such geometric regularity occurring randomly underwater. They analyze the orientation of the structures, the consistent angles of the walls, and the presence of what appear to be deliberately placed stones forming steps or platforms. The discovery of artifacts in the vicinity, though debated in terms of direct association with the structures, adds another layer of intrigue. Pottery shards with distinct markings and worked stones that don't naturally occur in the area have been recovered, hinting at human activity. Furthermore, the geological history of the region indicates significant seismic activity and sea level fluctuations over the past 10,000 years, providing plausible scenarios for the submergence of a coastal settlement. Could this crystal village be a lost chapter in China's ancient history, a testament to a civilization that thrived along its now submerged shores, predating much of what we currently understand about early human settlements in the region? The ongoing research and debate underscore the vast amount we still have to learn about our planet's past. Hidden beneath the waves, the sheer scale and geometric complexity of the Yonaguni Monument continue to fuel intense debate. Within the scientific community, this massive underwater formation stretches over 100 meters in length and rises to a height of approximately 25 meters. Its most striking features include flat terraces, sharp 90-degree angles, vertical walls, and what appear to be staircases leading to different levels. Some researchers have even identified what they believe to be carved features on the rock surface, resembling rudimentary symbols or even the likeness of human or animal faces. Professor Masaaki Kimura's extensive underwater surveys have meticulously documented the monument's features, leading him to conclude that while the underlying rock formation may be natural sandstone, it has been extensively modified by human hands. He points to the intentional leveling of surfaces, the precise cutting of edges, and the arrangement of the various platforms as evidence of artificial construction. Critics, however, argue that the strong currents and the nature of sandstone fracturing could explain the monument's geometric appearance over vast periods of time. They emphasize the lack of definitive tool marks or associated cultural artifacts that would unequivocally prove human intervention. Yet, the sheer regularity and the seemingly deliberate design of the structure continue to defy easy, natural explanations for many. If the dating estimates are correct, and the monument was indeed shaped over 10,000 years ago, it would necessitate a significant reevaluation of the technological and societal capabilities of early human populations. Could the Yonaguni Monument be a remnant of a sophisticated maritime culture that flourished during the last ice age, a civilization whose existence has been largely erased by rising sea levels? And the passage of time, the mystery endures, prompting further investigation and challenging our established narratives of human history. Throughout maritime history, the vast and mysterious ocean depths have been fertile ground for tales of the unknown. Sailors, facing the perils of the sea and the psychological effects of isolation, have often reported encounters with strange lights, unusually fast-moving submerged objects, and creatures that defy conventional biological classification. The Cold War era saw an increase in reports from submarine crews on both sides, detailing encounters with fast movers that could outpace their vessels and perform impossible maneuvers. These unidentified submerged objects, or USOs, fueled speculation about advanced underwater technology, both terrestrial and potentially extraterrestrial. The account of the Soviet submarine encountering a humanoid being with fish-like features, while anecdotal and lacking concrete evidence, taps into a deep-seated human fascination with the possibility of aquatic life forms beyond our current scientific understanding. Such stories often blend with folklore and mythology, echoing ancient legends of merfolk and other underwater denizens. While many of these encounters can likely be attributed to misidentification of known marine life, optical illusions, or even psychological stress in extreme environments, the sheer volume and consistency of some reports over time cannot be entirely dismissed. Marine biologists acknowledge that the deep sea remains largely unexplored, and the potential for undiscovered species, adapted to its unique pressures and darkness, is significant. Could some of these reported encounters represent glimpses of life forms that have evolved in isolation in the deep ocean, perhaps even possessing a level of intelligence we have yet to comprehend? While definitive proof remains elusive, these tales serve as a potent reminder of the vastness of our planet's oceans and the potential for the truly extraordinary to exist beyond the realm of our current knowledge. Venturing into the deep sea is akin to exploring another planet. The immense hydrostatic pressure can crush unprotected vessels in an instant, and the perpetual darkness creates an environment where life has evolved in astonishing and often bizarre ways. Human divers require specialized atmospheric diving suits or sophisticated submersibles. Capable of withstanding these extreme forces, the physiological challenges are immense, demanding rigorous training and meticulous protocols to ensure safety. Despite the remarkable technological advancements in deep-sea exploration, the vast majority of the ocean floor remains unmapped and unvisited. The cost and logistical complexities of deploying deep-sea research vessels and ROVs are significant, limiting the scope of our exploration. Furthermore, the very nature of the deep sea, its immense size, its extreme conditions, and the remoteness of many of its regions makes comprehensive study incredibly challenging. Yet, the discoveries made in the small percentage of the deep sea we have explored have been transformative, revealing unique ecosystems like hydrothermal vents that support life in the absence of sunlight, and uncovering new species that challenge our understanding of the limits of biological adaptation. As technology continues to evolve, with the development of more autonomous underwater vehicles and more efficient deep-sea platforms, our ability to explore this final frontier will undoubtedly expand. The secrets held within the deep ocean about our planet's geological history, the origins of life, and the potential for undiscovered biodiversity are immense, promising a future filled with groundbreaking discoveries that will reshape our understanding of the world we inhabit. The mysteries of the deep ocean continue to beckon, a testament to the vastness of our planet and the enduring human spirit of exploration. As we push the boundaries of technology and venture further into this underwater realm, we are not only uncovering potential lost histories and encountering the possibility of the unknown, but we are also gaining a deeper appreciation for the resilience and diversity of life on Earth. The deep sea remains a frontier brimming with unanswered questions, promising a future where the darkness yields to the light of discovery, revealing wonders beyond our current imagination.